Hello and welcome to this very somber edition of What Were You Thinking? My name, as you guys know, is Jeremy Moses. Before I continue, I do wish to extend my utmost sympathies to the Sipe family after the tragedy that I'm about to relate happened to them. And I post this video in the hopes that it doesn't happen to anybody else ever again. 2 weeks ago, 12-year-old Logan Sipe ended up escaping a fire that destroyed a 150-year-old apartment building in Fulton, Illinois. The news story is down below in the, I guess I'm going to call it the underbar. The fire was likely caused, unfortunately, by Logan. Now, much damage was done in this fire, but the worst of all was that Logan lost his 41-year-old mother, Charlene Sipe, in the fire. The fire was likely caused by Logan microwaving something that perhaps, well, not perhaps, definitely should not have been in that microwave to begin with. I have no idea where he got the idea from. For all I know, he got the idea from watching one of the YouTube channels that regularly do dangerous stunts like this. For all I know, he got the idea from John Paula and his hit show, Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? Now, John, to his credit, has started posting disclaimers in the last several years that state, do not try this at home. And the disclaimer is in big letters across the bottom. And it says, don't try this at home. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like Logan got that message. And if he saw that, he ignored it. The unfortunate thing is that this is probably not going to be the end of this story. Logan has been charged with disruptive conduct and other things, criminal damaging, charges. Those charges are detailed again down below in the link. Unfortunately, we probably won't hear the last of this. But I want to tell my viewers, a few of you that I may have, I want to tell you something. If you ever go and watch these videos and you think, that looks like something I want to try at home, remind me to smack you. Seriously. It's not a good idea. 90% of the items that people like Jonathan Paula microwave, and I'm not condemning them. I find these videos amusing, to be honest with you. But I find them amusing because they take every precaution that they need to. Fire extinguishers, doing it outdoors, shielding, the whole deal. They don't get up close to the microwave to film, while the experiment is in progress. It's, they're safe about it. Yeah, I admit, the things that they do are stupid. Just stupid. Stupid. Stupid nuts. But they do it safely, at least. And the fact of the matter is this. At the end of the day, they put a disclaimer on their videos that says, don't try this. Don't. Listen to the disclaimer. don't try this. Please. I am begging you. Don't try this. Anyway, this is sobering, to say the least. But again, I post this in the hopes that some of you out there are going to watch this and you're going to say, I will never imitate that stuff on that show. I will watch it, I will laugh at it, I'll be amused by it, but I won't try it myself. And I'm not saying not to watch these videos. I don't want to see, I don't want to see people condemning, Jonathan Paula, or Joy Karen, or Riley McElwain. I don't want to see that. What I do want to see is the recognition that at least they take safety precautions. And keep in mind that, hey, we have to look out for the safety of our viewers, so we're going to do a disclaimer at the beginning that says, don't try this at home. And if you're stupid enough to ignore that disclaimer, get off YouTube. Seriously. That's it for this edition of What Were You Thinking? My name is Jeremy Moses, and I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.